You should lock the door now.
Yeah.
Grab your keys.
Grab your keys. Oh yeah. It's on fire. Shit.
No one's fucking coming. It's Joe. It's Joe.
Apartment's on fire.
You just chill out here or what? There's a fire.
Run away.
That was so loud.
Dude. Dude.
I thought that was us. Hey Joe, what's up, dude? There's a fucking fire. Yeah, I really want to go get my shit. I know, me too. Don't be a hero. The fire doesn't go off unless there's a fire. Doesn't make sense. It's kind of safe around.
Well, at least it's raining.
The whole thing is just ours.
Dude, my alarm went off on my
everybody
on my
it's been going off for a while, dude. Like we took
So
a while to get out.
So my first alarm was the iHome. Like,
why was your alarm on?
Cause I can't set it off. I don't know how. It's like 4.
Is that bad?
No.
What time is it?
It's like 4 o'clock.
I was still watching movies.
Yeah, I know. You're like, oh shit.
I don't even know what you're doing.
You have to wait for like the cops to come
No,
turn
until
it
the
off?
fire department comes up and turns it off because they have to. I'm the manager.
Comes to the shirt. Oh shit!
It's bullshit. Well,
I want to know who's the dumbass that we might as well turn on everybody else's, dude.
let's do it. Oh, fuck, it's cold.
The guy
Cold out.
He's telling me.
Yeah.
This is so dumb.